Hi guys, this video is to help you understand what is due for science at the moment. So if you click resources and calendar, that will show you which dates things need to be done by. Okay, so your Garbage Islands Google Forms questions were due before Easter there. So if you have yet to do those, if you could click on Garbage Islands, right? So Science 8, Section 1 project, Garbage Islands. Okay, you click this button here to go to those Google Forms questions. Okay, so you type in your answers and don't forget to push submit. Okay, because these are overdue at this point, I'm going to need you to send me an email to tell me to go in and mark it because this doesn't notify me that you need to do that. So you'd pop open your Gmail, right? You click these little waffle, I think they call it. Okay, click your mail, click compose, and then you start typing in. Okay, the Learn one is good, the CSSD one is good, doesn't matter. Okay, and you just say, please mark my Google Forms happy face. Okay, and you click send. All right, so that's your Garbage Islands Google Forms. Your other assignment that you need to do is produce a art piece, okay, either a picture or a model showing that you understand that there is a lot of pollution in the environment, specifically the oceans, and that because of the ocean currents, we're getting so much trash that entire islands are being formed. Okay, so some students have made models in their tub. Okay, others have made collages or art pieces. Okay, so this is the kind of thing I'm looking for, right? Next step is I need you to send me solutions to this problem. Okay, so for 5 points, you can either create an art piece like this one was solutions, okay, about what you can do to reduce the pollution in the ocean, okay, and how it gets there in the first place. Or you can also open up a new Google Docs, okay, and type the title because we need titles on things. Okay, so you could put Garbage Islands Solutions, and it'll already put your name on, and you click share, and you're going to share that with Ms. Bohachuk. Okay, so you can hand things in through any of these ways whenever you want. Okay, so if you had a picture, you can insert an image that you made from your computer that you saved. You can email pictures from me right from your phone. Okay, there's Dropbox, a technique I've seen that I started using, and it works pretty good. Gotta find where it is. Grades probably. Let's click it and see if the Wi-Fi wants to load anyways. Oh, that's gonna pop up your grades. Quick, quick, close, close. Okay, so anyways, one of the buttons is a Dropbox. Okay, so that's Garbage Islands. I'm going to actually open up D2L again there quick so you can see where the quiz is. So we have done quizzes before, but sometimes I do realize that we forget where things are. So our section 1 D2L quiz is something that needs to be done by tomorrow if you can. So you go to Science 8, you click Assessments, you click Quizzes, and you'll be doing this Unit E Section 1. Okay, so you open that up, take a look at the true and false questions, and you get unlimited tries. So hopefully you can do it till you get 100.